It's personal chef time. Today I'm doing the mash, the pepper mash. Got a ton of Fresno sitting in the freezer. When you freeze them, it breaks down the cell wall, makes it softer than a fontanelle, and you can just pop the tops right off. No knives required, and it ends up being a lot less waste. No peppers left on the stems. All right, let's weigh it out for the salt calculation. I'm going for 3% salt, so 1,500 times 0.03 is 45 grams of salt. And yeah, no ugly ass salt here, just fine ass salt. Chop this bitch open. I was going too slow. Get these all salted up and then, yeah, blended. Super easy. This is kind of the consistency you're going for. Just mashed. That's why they call it a mash, I think. I don't know. I'll put a little water in the bottom of this container just to make sure I get as much out of there as I can. I'll get it sealed up and watch when I do the vacuum seal, it'll pull that little bit of water out, which is fine. It won't fuck up my salt.